We're back with another hair video, baby, and you gonna wanna watch this. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Baby, my hair is feeling good. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. You gonna wanna come on in and watch this. Y'all, let's get all the way into it. Who did this? Who did this? Ywigs. They did a big one on this right here. I'm gonna have the accurate information in the description box below with how many packs I used, everything I used, the type, the curl pattern, the direct link, all the good stuff is gonna be in the description box below. Okay, this is the braid pattern, okay? I wanted to do my big fat jumbo braids again, y'all, but the truth is, like, I really want to be able to, I have quite a bit of leave out back here because I want to be able to like really pin it up smooth. You know what I'm talking about? So I just realized as well, like, I don't know why I left so much. Why did I dip up here on this side? When I dip, you dip, we dip. Clearly we are rushing all the time. I don't know what happened here. But I think maybe my natural instinct was like, hey, this is your side. So maybe we need more hair on this side. They come in these little packets here. With the little Goldie McGolds at the top holding them together. I think I have 6 of these. Again, description box below, I'm gonna tell you how many. I think it was 5 or 6. Opened all these out. So cute, huh? What do you think? Shout out what you drink. Got everything here set up and ready to go to make my life a little bit easier. My crochet hook ready to go. I'm really excited about this. I think because the hair is less kinky, like it's not as tight of a curl as what I've done in the past with the crochet hair, I'm gonna use it all. I'm gonna use it all. Yeah. We're gonna use it all. Bop beep boop. Is this your first video watching me do this? We're gonna go over it one more time. We stick the crochet hook. Stick her on there. Pull her through. And I prefer the loop, one simple loop. Oops. Oh, the hair is so soft. Oh. Oh. I have to shimmy her. Shimmy her. Wow. Okay. One loop. Let's get her in there again. Another one. Hook her. Pull her through. One loop. One blood. One blood. One more time for the 9-9. Hook her on. Close it. Pull through. Open her up. And loop her through. Just like so. This hair is so easy to work with right now. I cannot lie. It is so easy to work with. It's so soft and smooth. I think this is going to be a really fast install. And as a single mama, that is everything. We need things to take as the least amount of time possible. Who doesn't like saving time though anyway? It's like 4 pieces. So pretty. Oh, I can't wait. I'm not even sure how many packs we're in right now, but I'm, baby. How we looking back here? This is amazing. So I personally like the loop method that I showed you guys, just like one time pulling the hair through. Another option, do you see already what I'm like, is to put one strand through and do that. So my issue with that method, we'll do it up here in the front. I'll show you. we pop, hook the hair on. All right. Why are we stuck? Hook it on, close it, out, pull it through, and take one strand, pull it through. So it does distribute the hair differently, which is nice. But I feel like when you're in the back and you really can't see what's going on, like let's do one in the back, where when I'm back here and I can't really see fully what's going on, I need less variables. Like, so personally, just a one loop for me in the back is kind of the best option for me, because again, I can't see what's going on. And sometimes when you try to feel for the pieces, they feel like they're one. So we just gonna stick with a little loop in the back. But then when I get around some areas that I can actually see, like here, then I can do a little separation. Because I do like that it splits and then it kind of like covers over the braid. I do appreciate that. Crochet had me in a little chokehold. What are you guys wearing though right now? Like, what are you guys doing? Are you on braids right now for your protective styles? Are y'all giving the crochet a try? Are you thinking about it? What you feeling? What you thinking? Let me know in the comments below. So the whole time I'm doing it, I'm like this. And I realized my forehead be creating lines in my makeup. I think this is why people get Botox, so that they can't move their face. Clearly, I don't have any. And I won't be getting any. Ask me again when I'm 99. Maybe I'll change my mind. But I be on a mission all the time to find the most natural ways to do things. So we'll see. I digress. So the verdict is in. It is non-negotiable at this point to do the one loop through. Now that I'm at the top, I'm realizing like it's just so much better for coverage at this point, and just like blending, that it kind of is non-negotiable now that I'm at the top. It's making a huge difference, especially even around like the hairline and stuff like that. It's worth it to just find the piece. And right now, guys, I still have a whole bundle left. So when I said I was gonna use it all, oops, I thought I meant that, but I really don't know if I'm actually gonna need it all. This is the thing with this hair. It's like you just think it's not gonna be enough because it just looks crazy. It just looks, oops, I didn't follow my own rule. I did a loop on that one. We didn't do what we were supposed to do on that one. All right then. I have to be done this in like less than an hour because I gotta go pick up Kai. My only regret is that I didn't separate all of the hair ahead of time. So I've had to stop to like separate it and regroup. Oh no. Oh no, just pull it through, pretend like, never mind. Just joking. Damn it. We had a boo-boo. This is pretty full though. Pretty full. Like I am very, very happy with how full this is so far. And we still have all of here. Y'all, okay. I lied because I did not even use all the hair. I still have this much left, this much left. It's a lot fuller than I thought. God, I love it already. And I'm gonna go for long layers. You know, I love me some shape. Let me be my guide here. Yeah, this is already looking so natural. How are we doing? Can you flip it over? What are we seeing? Gotta go. Ooh. Okay. Don't look at my leave out. Oh! have a casualty. Don't be rough. Don't be rough with it, because I was too rough, clearly. Okay. One thing I hate is a fresh set of curls that look like a fresh set of curls. Okay, so we're gonna be able to pin her back. I didn't take out my leave out back here because I'm not going to. Okay, so when I'm ready, we'll do the ponytail like this, right? And I'll take out my leave out and I'll swoop it up. But when I'm not doing this, I need to keep her protected, okay? Ooh, look at the shape of the layers in the pony. Baby, I'm rushing because I gotta pick up my baby. I feel like moms trying to make YouTube videos is like, you're always against the clock. Unless you have somebody that picks up your child, that's different. But I'm very rough sometimes, so I have to like really be mindful that I'm not pulling and tugging this hair in every which way. Y'all, this is pretty. I love it. If you didn't know, now you know. I permed the front of my hair, y'all. And do I regret it? Not fully. But it did cause some breakage. However, but it's not permed so bone straight that there's nothing left texture-wise. So there is a little something left texture-wise, as you can see. There's a little texture in there still. And that's me being really lazy. Okay, let's get the diffuser. Let's see how my quick turned out. Foolishness. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah. Did what it needed to. Did what it needed. Oh, baby, baby, it's a fine world. Y'all. I love her. Okay, guys, I'm going to update you on this because obviously, like I said, I'm in a rush right now, but I needed to get this done. I needed y'all to feel this. I needed y'all to see this. Okay? So natural. Curls are popping. And the versatility of it, picture now, when I take all this, my leave out and swoop it up, baby, this is it. She is her. I am her. All right, y'all, that is all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in and hanging out with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe because it's popping, it's lit, and it's where you want to be. Okay, y'all? Okay, let me go pick up my daughter before I get in trouble. Okay, bye, guys. Love ya!